I'm sorry. Hey everybody. I'm back at it. This life is not a year about I like your beauty spots. I only have one. But thanks. Hey guys, how are you? I'm about to study. Look. Okay, I'm just showing you one book. I'm about to study. I'm writing on Tuesday, and I'm writing on Friday, and I'm writing on Monday, and I'm writing on Wednesday, and I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. YouTube. I don't know what YouTube is. Me. I don't have a YouTube channel. I think you've got the wrong girl. You've got the wrong babe. I'm to get my glasses because I feel like I hate how I look with my glasses. I feel like I look such a nerd. So you'll notice I'm wearing my glasses, even though exams at least easier than matric. I'm writing matric exams because I went to go register to write physics. That man tried to convince me. Well, he did convince me to register to write maths again so I can try to push my maths to a 19. 19 now for maths. I don't know who he thinks I am. But let me show you guys my... I can't because it's on my phone. I'm writing maths paper 1 31st. Maths paper 2 on the 3rd. A uni exam on the 5th. Physics paper 1 on the 7th. Physics paper 2 on the 10th. A uni exam on the 14th. And then a uni exam on the 17th. And I have makeup test this week on Tuesday. Why am I reading my drink? Ugh, guys. Actually, you have to pressurize you for a vlog. Hey, guys, I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't know what you're talking about. Why are you writing? I just want to have, like, level 7s. I just want a beautiful statement, man. In case after this degree, I want to go to another degree. I always have better options, you know. I really wanted to only rewrite maths. My mom convinced me to do physics. Then Shabak did maths in June. Then physics, I want to go rewrite now in November because I don't want to do maths and physics together in June. November I come, and then that guy's like, no, man, do maths as well. Try to push that to a 90. And I registered it anyway. Whenever I have what? I think I forget life. Oh, hello, baby. Guys, my person's here. If your skin is flawless, shame. Thank you. And I can't YouTube channel. We're gonna rewrite. I'm rewriting at Alexandra High School in Pietermaritzburg. So if you guys want to study with me, matric content, if you do math and physics, I'm your girl. I'm your girl, the hair lanky. I'm on platinum because I have a wig brand deal, guys. It's a new bunny, say. I want to go live and talk about me and beg people on live to tag brands in their comments. Meanwhile, Mina, who's quiet, is the one getting brand deals. The one who's quiet is the one getting brand deals. Others go live and talk about me every day of their lives. I have a wig brand deal, so I need to unplait my hair now. At this point, you're making your own life how I know it. Give a man, go wash up. That girl I told you about, Lilo. When are you writing? How the same days? I'm writing physics. The same days matrics are writing. I'm writing with them. I think we're gonna do this live in Zulu when I posting on YouTube. I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, it's in jail again. Hi Karabo. Kwamanje, sesizovula PR package. Yes, I love me hair. Go, I love me hair. Young tan, I'm fit. Young tan. Ish. Ipiskero sam. Nathi ngizoluma lento. Niyabona sengumzulu manje. Why are you writing? Just to have a nice day. Guys, I'm not writing because I failed anything. I just want better marks on my statements. Sengumzulu mfethu. After zero feeling, hey guys. That's it. Sengumzulu manje, sengiyakhuluma, angiyazi lento yokuthi ngumtswana, yini utswane manje. Abatswana babuyaphi? Mina ngumzulu waseKwamashu, ningazonga. Hey. Bari mazulu. Umzulu kwamandla, mbabe nkosi mbume nkasi mbenza boza. Ay. Those are my clan names. If you were wondering. Like, yeah, I'm gonna unplait sometime this week. No, guys, I speak Zulu with a Zulu accent. Befuna ngithini mfethu? Befuna ngithini? Here's my brand deal. So I'm ready from an unplait or just like lay this thing flat and try to put a recap. Like, oh shit, ngithe ngizokhuluma isiZulu. Ngizofaka i-recap lana bese ngifake le nwele phambi kwele nwele and then kuzoba right. Bese mangifilm i-video make sure ukuthi le nwele azibonakali, yabona? Ngizosifaka kuphambi kwenhlapho. Akela nekenhlapho. Inwele. I'm fit. Yeah. Ngaphambi kwentambo. Inhlapho ngikrile kai la kalula. Inhlapho ichoka. Ngaphambi, akeke phambi. Ayiphambi is the front. Ngaphandle. Ayiphandle. Yeah, ngaphandle kwentambo. Ngaphandle kwentambo. Bese I-wig izo. You understand? Ngivule. Kodwa mina ngenza i-unboxing, ngiyabona? Mina ngenza i-unboxing ngizonibonisa ukuthi ngithole i-deep wave wig, I-love me hair. Yeah, mina ngenza imali. Le mali izongithengela umuntu wami imoto ngoba umuntu wami uthe ufuna V-Class and ngizomthengela yona ngale mali. Even though ngimkwatele kwamanje asikhulumi. Mina nalomfana asikhulumi. Abafana bamaZulu banesicefe and banekhanda enkulu. That's hard-headed, ne? Khanda enkulu. Ake banekhanda eqinile. Yes, banekhanda eqinile. La kalona imZulu. Ngithe angikhuluma isitswana atlehanga awuyena umtswana. Awuyena umtswana ngumZulu waseKwamashu. Guys, stop me. I never go live, yo. I'm just going live just because my man and I are not talking. I'm just kind of bored. And no one wants to come check up on me because I only know one person at this race who like I ever go to, and I can't keep going to her every single day. I feel like I'm annoying. I don't like being in someone's room every day. I feel like I'm annoying her, so I have no one else to go to. I don't know anyone else at race that I can just go talk to him and chill with, and it's just very lonely. So I'm gonna study. Ngizofunda nangu Rio jona ama live wami. I'm sure endlini bakhuluma ngami bathi hey sengi live ithi ngifunde guys, ithi ngifunde ngoba abantu basekhaya bajoin live yami. Cela ningakhuluma isingisi. Angazi ukufunda isingisi. Angazi ukuthi ngifunda isingisi. Cela ukhuluma isiZulu kuma comments phela. If I khuluma isiZulu ngizoblock. Niyangizwa? Oh mama. Senzeni ke manje ish umuntu wami ungikwatisile, so manje ngikhuluma nani uyi-first learner uyangithola ugainile yazi manje wena ungenaphi nina ithi ngikublock ngoba wena ungenaphi kugaina kwami ngidlela wena azongibhorela block. Yabonga. I-accounting uyibhala nini? Tuesday mfethu. Kwenzekala nini isoka lakho? Ngikwatisile isoka lami. salwa bese yena akafuna ukusho ukuthi mina ngi-right yana u-wrong. So ngathi yazini ithi ngidrop ifone. Maze wamuhle ngiyabonga yiza 194 685 sisi uluka kuphi ePMB ngiluka Royalty RSA sasha iRoyalty RSA ku TikTok uzomthola bangena phi vele ukuthi mina ngigaining weight ngiyadla bangiphethe kahle ngi-KFC every day umuntu abuthekela KFC every day yangithola kanti uyakhuluma vele ngithele ngikhuluma isingisi kuma comments ngizoblock ngesingisi yakho ngizoblock usisi wami ahambe bhala nangu Ria ucabanga ukuthi umZulu naye hala lamtaka Shaka Zulu uyangithola mfethu uyangithola uyangithola isitwana abantu base Northwest babuya phi laba abantu angikhathale ngabo angazi uyang something ngisho uyavloga lapho for YouTube angiyazi YouTube uyasikhohla lapho chup anginayo iYouTube channel angazi ukuthi ningifanisa nomuntu anginayo iYouTube channel ningifanisa nomunye umuntu umutsilo nochom yabona amatswane lapho kuma comment macane batshela ukuthi sikhuluma isiZulu phela la injani impilo yase university evarsity kuyaphileka silama noodles every day la kuyaphileka kune drama la every day khona into ensha labantu bane azumona premium mona evarsity it's cause like yimi eniyabona ngimuhle but khona abantu la bane inhliziyo ezimnyama nyami ngiyanitshela ngeke ntombazana ngizokublock mina ngizokublock Sky I'm not friends with a girl cela ngeke you can tell my answer your question now young pressurize in because let me go unewele yini manje isene iyamatswana mina masane awungazi ngithe singichekelisa name yami ku phone yami ithi ngichekelisa name yami ithi ngiyabuya manje okay sename yami uNdlovu oyisibongo sami uNdlovu Mdlavunye Mdlondeni kaJane Iswane sibongo sami yaleza guys, let me go study. I'm writing accounting on Tuesday. Tell my story time, mama. Ngizonipa. Mangicela ukubhala. Mina nawe best friends. Katheni. Guys, shapo. Uzohamba ngo-11 mfethu funa ngifeyile wena ngakudala nginibona ukuthi ninomona nina nifuna ngifeyile dala nginibona yini ngalabantu bakhuluma isingisi kuma comments cane bacale ngibaphe imemo yokuthi asikhuluma isingisi la asikhulumi isingisi la. Kungani uhamba? Ngiyafunda amahle. Bakhuluma isitswana. Cala i-vlog iyeza Wednesday ningawari. Kodwa le vlog ayinayo ama-study what. Khona ama-tab ama-maintenance nama-what. Umuhle ngiyabonga. Injani manje? I-belly piercing yami angazi i-right like isahila. I-belly piercing thatha 17 years ukuhila mfethu. Yeah guys, ngathi sesicedile mina nawe. Mina sengiyahamba umana nakume umana na sengiyahamba na okay okay, sharp guys. It was nice being live. You know me, I'll go live again in 3 months. I'll go live again in 3 months. Yeah, I never go live. Kodwa ngiyathanda, love you so much. I'll see you guys in 3 months when I go live again, when I decide. Yeah, I want to show you guys me being crazy again. Oh, mfethu nginceseni basi ngikhuluma isingisi ncesa. Sengiyahamba ama live angiwayenzi ngoba zingifaka under pressure. Umuntu angabuza ngalento into engafuna ukukhuluma ngayo bese nga freeze yabona. So ngiwathanda ama live, ngiya live once every ama yiniveke amaveke amanya months yini months imani ngangitshela ningangitshela inyaka ngise ningangitshela kanti yini ngani ngiya live once kay 3 inyaka kuJaren. Ay tlogelang ba kae ba ke legoga ka tloga ke legoga no. Ngiya live kanye kuinyaka 3 yangithola. So inyanga ngiya live kay 3 ngiya live kay 1 kuinyanga 3 3 I'm talking my radio before I swear you guys. Okay, no. Sengumsula ngihlala KZN manje. Ngithe mina ngathanda ama live ngoba angifaka under pressure. Abantu bazongibuza ukuthi hayi uAtli umngani wakho Atli Ntonton Atli umuntu wakho, and angifundi lento kuma live wami ngoba like ninesicefe nina, like ngithanda izinto zabantu, and mina like angiyithandi lento ukuthi i-personal life yami ibe yabona, and ngizongibuza ngomuntu wami or ngempilo yami kuma comments bese wonke umuntu uzobuza ukuthi wa angaphendula lo muntu, you understand. So ngithi angiwathanda ama live ngale ndaba, ngenxa yale ndaba. So mina ngiya live kay 1 kumanyaka 3 so ngizonibona kumanyaka 3 ala kalona ke shapile ke kaleblela kentsha game ke shapile. Anyway, ngizonibona abantu bami uAtlaga angisona uAtlaga unompumelelo Ndlovu ama Thembiso wami akithi sila names amathemusi wami uNdlovu, uMdlovunye, uMdlondeni, Katsheni, Zwane, signing out. Amathakazelo, ngiyangifundisa nina. Amathakazelo wami uNdlovu, uMdlavunye, uMdlondeni, Katsheni, Zwane. Signing out. 11 iyashaya guys, nizongifailisa nina. Mina ngiyofunda. Phela thina abanye asinayo imali yokuthengisa or imali yabazali. Mina sifunde thina. Bathi Zwane, yabona ngiyangiphikisa neGoogle. Google ithi nguzwane mina. Kanti yini ngani? Okay, kanti ngiyanishiya for real. For real, for real. For real, for real. Someone who I'm married just joined the live. Hey. Kana bangikhathile off.